These patty, my God, my mouth running water at this moment. Yes, yes. Who's a Jamaican are the best? Look at my good patty them. Hi. Yes, guys. I get some goodies from back home. So just stick with me while I do my unboxing. Yes, they are my lovely patties. This is a mixture of chicken and beef. Yes. So if you want to see more of my Jamaican goodies from back home, just keep on watching. Very excited, guys. Yes. Keep on watching. Okay, guys, we're starting off with our tasty cheese. Yes, I can get these here, but not all the time. And my son loves this cheese. And here's my good up, soft and nice coconut bulla. Hey, yes, guys, bulla and cheese and bulla and pear. I'm here for it all. And here's my lovely, soft, fresh spice bun. And who remember these, guys? My police buttons. They're packing them more official these days. And look at my donkey can, guys. My jackass can. Hey! Yes! I can't wait to devour these, guys. And I got some gizzard. Yes. Yes, if we will make it here, I'm telling you guys, it doesn't bring out that flavor of that taste that you get from back home. And here I get some drops as well. Yes, some coconut drops. Yes. Glad bag boss. I tell you, glad bag boss. Yes. So we get some coconut drops, and these I already taste them. Let me give you the update. They are very tasty. The ginger turn up in them. Very nice. And here I get some jerk seasoning and meat seasoning. Back home they call it season to the bone. Yes. And my BetaPac curry. The best curry in my book. Yes. I really needed this curry because I'm using another brand which is not good, and I have to mix to get my curry looking very good. So I'm grateful for that BetaPac. Yes. Yes, guys, BetaPac is the best. Oh, no. And I think these are some roast and fresh breadfruit that they cut and froze for me. Yes, they roast some and peel. And the fresh one, they just peel them and freeze them. Yes. Yes, guys, I get breadfruit here again, but these are not things that I get regular. I get them now and again. So I'm grateful. Yes. So those breadfruit can go in my soup. And the roast one, I'm going to refry. And here is my golden piece, guys. My tasty patty. Just watch how I'm tearing this like some little kid tearing into their Christmas present, Christmas morning. Yes. I'm giving you all patois today, okay? No English, yeah? So I'm just unboxing my juicy patty. Yes. Yes, guys. So if you want to see more, just keep on watching. And again, guys, if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment and put your bell on so you won't miss another upload. These patty have my mouth watering, guys. Yes. And let's see what else we have here to unpack. Hey, guys, I tell you we are the best. I get jerk pork, spicy jerk pork, the pepper hot in it, the pepper turn up bad. I tell you guys, yes. There's my good up jerk pork. Very delicious, I must say. Yes, I devoured that one already. Yes. So I have a video of this one coming up of me reusing it. So just keep on watching. And guys, hey, I tell you, this is cow skin, guys. Cow skin from Jamaica. Yes, I get cow skin. So look out for videos of me preparing this. Yes. And I have coconut oil, homemade coconut oil, no artificial thing added to it. Yes. Look at my goodies, guys. I'm feeling really blessed. Yes. Feeling really blessed, guys. So if you want to see how I reuse some of these products that I get from back home, just keep on watching, guys. And I'll catch you in another video. Enjoy the clip and drop a comment at the end of the video. Like the video. And again, I said subscribe if you haven't. Join the family now. It's free. Okay? So catch you in another upload, guys. Just look out on my goodies, guys, as I recap. Okay? Thanks for watching.